To fix a GE stove oven that's not working, start by checking the power supply. Ensure the breaker on the line supplying the oven is on and that power is available at the wall outlet. Verify that the appliance is correctly plugged in by undoing and then redoing its power socket at the outlet. If the issue persists, try resetting the oven, as the malfunction may be due to an inappropriate control setting. To do this, disconnect the oven from the power supply for a minute by unplugging it or turning off the breaker switch, which will return it to its default settings. Additionally, check if the Sabbath mode is enabled, a feature that restricts the appliance's working even when it's turned on. If this feature is on, refer to your user manual for the model-specific procedure to turn it off. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a non-working GE stove oven.